Beth is working on a custom design for one of our clients. This is going to be a wedding ring? Is that what it is?
We're doing a wedding set. We've got a man's and a woman's wedding band and engagement ring. This is 14 karat white gold. Jennifer carved the original. We came up with the design with the customer, worked with the customer. She carved a wax, a hard wax, and we sent it out to be cast. And it comes back looking like this. And right now I'm in the process of rounding it out, checking it over. I'll be doing some filing and sanding. So we get everything symmetrical and smoothed down. We may end up tumbling this ring to get the finish we want on it. That's a technique where we use a pot filled with, you can get different types of medium. For this we're going to be using steel shot, so it's like steel beads. And the ring will tumble around in those steel beads, and they'll get down into all the areas and give it a nice finish. And then after that, we'll polish some more with some other compounds. We have the leaf to add on to the engagement ring. I need to put the solder a head onto the women's. Here's the ladies set. So we still have, this is where the sprue, the wax, they put a wax lead onto it, and that's where it's cut off. So we'll clean that out. It's already been cleaned out of the inside of this one.
Very nice.